Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 65 GTO. This baby's been restored top, bottom, inside, and out. 389 under the hood, tri-power sitting on top of that, hooked up to a 4-speed. The car is phenomenal. Take a look at that red paint, looking sweet. We got great looking grille, great looking chrome. I always check the chrome around these headlights on the GTO. This is definitely new chrome there. The gasket's looking sweet. The body lines on the hood here also looking sweet. She is one beautiful machine. All the glass is looking good. And then this baby's got Cragars on her. Wrapped with some BFG. Man, it's looking sweet. Rocker moldings. Doors lined up nice with that front fender. And then my favorite, the black interior. This baby just looks sinister. You know, GTO was the muscle car of the day back in the day. I'll tell you what, look at the interior in here. Look at that steering wheel, the center console, the shifter. And looky over there on the passenger side on the dash. There's the holy shit bar. That's for your passenger to grab a hold of that when you grab second. We got great looking back seat. We got great looking headliner. Even the dome light on this one's working. You can see the chrome on the dash and the steering wheel all looking sweet. The lenses on the gauges all look good. This is one beautiful machine. Always check out the door jambs too. You can see that these are all nicely cleaned up and painted. You look down that quarter panel, I'm gonna go over here and get rid of this ringing phone. Man, all the chrome back there is looking good. The tail panel here and the chrome on the bumper. I'm gonna grab these keys so we can pop into the trunk. That paint job is just as slick and smooth as can be. Look inside there. We got a spare tire, a jack. Everything looking good here. Always pull up the mat when you're looking at a car too. Check out that trunk floor underneath the mat. Look down the side of this beauty. Gorgeous bodywork on it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this GTO. So you know we did our homework. Picked out a beauty. Then the first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them, take pictures, do the video, so we can show you everything about the car when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. You can check us out on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video. All right, we're in the GTO now, and we're not gonna drive it today because the weather outside is nasty. Now, we will drive it as soon as it is nice out, if we still have this thing. I don't expect it to be here very long. She is beautiful, inside and out. As you can see, dash is all looking good. We got an outside gauge right here. It looks like it's a temperature gauge. Other than that, everything in here is looking sweet. Of course, 4-speed, center console, bucket seats, good looking headliner. I have driven the car. It was a blast to drive. Tri-power's working good. It's got an awesome sounding exhaust system, and we can ship it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about it. And you can also help out with financing too. Tom will help you out with that too. Now we're close to the airport. If you'd like to fly in and check it out in person or send in an inspector, just let us know they're coming. We got a lot of square footage here. So we're gonna go up in the air with it right now and show you what the bottom looks like. All right, we're underneath the GTO now, and as you can see, the tank's fairly new, the exhaust is fairly new, frame's got a nice coat of paint on it. Everything down here is nice and clean. We got a 10-bolt rear end. It is an open rear end. And it is right around a 3 1/4. You can see Flowmaster Mufflers here. The floorboards have been all cleaned up and painted with a real nice shiny paint. So it'll be real easy to keep this nice and clean. Looks like we got a new fuel line running front to back and a new brake line going front to back. The frame's also painted real nice here. Everything's been cleaned up, looking good. Now the trans is a Muncie and it is a 65 model, but it is not original to the car. But it is what would have came in the car. Stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage also. Disc brakes up front and drum brakes in the back. And on the brakes, the guys pull them apart and check them all out on every car. That idler arm looks like it's brand new. The shocks look fairly new here, the backing plates. Looks like it's got a disc brake conversion kit on it because all those parts are brand new. Looks like it's got a big aluminum radiator in it, nice and shiny down here on the bottom. Back side of the bumper's just as clean as the front side. As a matter of fact, I can still see a paper tag on the back side of it. The tires look like they're brand new. I still see the nubs here. We've got radials, of course, BFGs, 215, 65 15s on some brand new Cragars. Bottom side of the front fender's looking sweet. I always check back in here. That's one of the first things to go on these cars. The rockers look good, and then the metal part of the rocker also is beautiful. That pinch weld looks good. That's something that you need to look at on every car. I always feel the backside also. Backside's nice and smooth. Out back here, we got more rubber on the road. We've got two 45 60 15s. And again, the tires are new and the Cragars are new. You can see that red paint just looking sweet from down here. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 389. The heads and the motor are 65 models. We do not believe that this is the original motor, but it is correct year. We do have power brakes. You can see all that looks brand new there. It does have power steering on it. Of course, you can see the tri-power here. Everything's looking sweet under here. Inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The firewall's nicely painted. She is gorgeous under here. You can even see the GM markings on the hoses, which is cool. Here's that aluminum radiator we were talking about earlier. You can see how everything up here is all painted up and looking good. Now we do have a battery shut off on the battery, and we do suggest that you have it shut off when you're storing the car. Everything under here is nice and neat. You can see that even the fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood was replaced. Guys, this is one amazing GTO right here. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.